Did you know? Marie Curie's 100-year-old cookbook is still radioactive, too dangerous to touch without protective gear. But who was this woman whose recipes could kill? Marie Skłodowska-Curie, brilliant, determined, revolutionary. In a world where women were barred from universities, she became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Then she won another, in a different field. Her discovery? Radioactivity, a phenomenon that lit up the world and slowly poisoned her. She named it radium, from the Latin word for ray. Those same rays were silently killing her. During World War I, she developed mobile X-ray units, saving countless soldiers' lives. But the price of progress was steep. Everything she touched became contaminated. Marie Curie died from her dedication to science, but her legacy radiates on. In every cancer treatment, every X-ray, every woman breaking barriers in STEM, Marie Curie. The woman who changed science forever, glowing with passion and radiation,